Let's see how we can quickly set up the Google Shopping Feed app for your Shopify web store. Once you install the app, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Click on Start Your Easy Setup to start the configuration. As the first step of configuration, you have to click on the Sign In with Google button, and you will see a pop-up window. Be sure to sign in using a Google account that has admin access to Google Merchant Center and Google Ads to provide complete access and other information to use the app's functionality. Click on Continue. Once you are logged in, select the Google Merchant Center ID you wish to link from the drop-down list. Next is to connect a Google Ads account. If you don't have an existing account, you can create one by clicking on the Create New button. If you have the account, then select it from the drop-down list. Moving further, click on the Activate Block Now button. You will be redirected to another page, where you need to enable the block and hit Save. Close the tab and hit the Submit button to move to the next step. Now comes the feed creation. Click on Create New Feed and you will see options to fill in like feed name, country, auto sync option, and then click on Create. You will the list of products in your store. You can use the filter option to choose any specific set of products for feed creation. Select all available products. And hit the Add Selected Products button on top. Your feed is now created. With available options, you can edit, delete, or open feed. Next comes the campaign. Click on the campaign button from the left side menu. Click on Create Campaign, and add details like select feed, campaign name, daily budget, country, etc. Once these details are added, click on the Create Campaign button. Later, you can edit the campaign as well. The last step is to activate the plan. To do that, click on Plan page and hit Activate Plan to complete the Setup button to approve the charges. This confirms the successful app setup. If you still need any help or assistance, feel free to email us at info@conversios.io. Thank you for watching.